Dear students, today I'll discuss with you about India and its neighbors. Briefly, I'll let you know the what kind of relations India have its neighbors. Generally, it is two types of neighbors are there. One is a neighbor, and another is a extended neighbor. And neighbors' boundaries falls with the three types. One through the mountains, second the water or sea, and three the land. So firstly, we'll discuss the mountainous neighbors of India, uh, and among them is the China. We had long relations, centuries old relations with China. Buddhist monk visited China in the 2nd century BC, spread the Buddhism. Since then, India had very good relations with China in the past. In the modern times, India sends its doctors when they were facing a pandemic. It was in 1924-25. Dr. Mushtaq Ahmad Ansari was sent with the team. Political thinker. He founded the Communist Party of China. After independence, they were free from their civil war, and we got independence from the clutches of the Britishers almost at the same time. We signed the Panchsheel with them, but unfortunately, we had a war in 1962 with them. India got defeated with that, and till then, we are not having good relations with China. China had two borders with us. One is LAC, it's in the uh, northern region, that is in J&K and Ladakh. And second is McMahon line. It is in the eastern sector, Nepal or Arunachal Pradesh. Both India and China, they had a long history and long conflicts also. We are having a conflicts at the economic level, military level, political level, international level. And second is Pakistan. Pakistan was carved out in 1947 out of India. Immediately that, after their independence, in 1948-47, we fought a war with them over the issue of Kashmir. Till then, the relations are not good. Then we fought war in 65, 1965, 1971. The East Pakistan was cut off and one separate country was created, that is Bangladesh. And then 1999, the Kargil issue was also there. Since then, we are not having good relation with Pakistan. And Pakistan, we share the three boundary lines with Pakistan. One is LOC, line of control, which is in Kashmir area. The next is Red Cliff line, which covers the Punjab and Rajasthan area. And the third is Sheikh Swarn Singh line in the Kutch region. Now, the third country in the Himalayas is Afghanistan. Afghanistan, we have borders through POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, where the Drond line is there. Since ancient times, there were two passes, Khyber Pass, Gomul Pass, which served earlier as a purpose of the trade, but later on it served the purpose of the warriors. Genghis Khan, Timur, Mughals, Nadir Shah, Ahmad Shah Durrani. There are a series of people, invaders from Central Asia, South Asia, who invaded India. We don't have any conflict with the Afghanistan. Then we come to the land neighbors. One is Nepal, another is Bhutan. With Nepal, though in 1950s we signed one treaty of friendship and cooperation and trade and transit treaty. And same was with Bhutan. And since then we don't have a good relation with Nepal because Nepal claims some territories of India and India claims their territories. There is a problem of Madheshis and so on, so on. Bhutan. Bhutan is the country which is very soft for India out of all the neighbors of India. And through sea, it's a sea and land, it's a Bangladesh and Myanmar. 1971, Bangladesh was created with the help of India. Many Indian soldiers were killed in the Indo-Pakistan war or Indo-Bangla war. Myanmar, we share a border with them, but they create too much of trouble for us. One, some of the separatists are trained by those people. NSCN, IN. And secondly, Myanmar is a part of the triangle, that is Golden Triangle, which includes Thailand, Myanmar and Laos, which is very much popular for the drugs and narcotics. It disturbs the eastern sector. Then through sea, it is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka, we shared a border with them through the sea. But Sri Lanka had a lot of issues with us, and one of the issues remained for a long time, that is the LTTE issue. Maldives, it was in the late 80s, 1980s, we helped them in solving their coup. After that, we had a good relation with them, and even now we had a good relation with them. Then extended neighbors come the Iran, Persian Gulf, Saudi Arabia, Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. For the Southeast Asian countries, we had a policy called the Look East or the Act East. One very popular, important country is the Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. With Mauritius, we had a very good relation. Many scholars say that India had a soft relation, good relations with two countries. One is Bhutan and another is Mauritius. Thank you very much.